Have been in the news lately. So here we've got Roger Stone signing his book on Palm Beach April 5th. And Roger, I just wanted to ask you about some things that were in the news today about Syria. Really shocking for a lot of people to hear what the president was saying, which seemed to be a dramatic reversal from what he said on the campaign on Syria, which was Assad doesn't seem all that bad compared to ISIS and the people he's fighting. And why not let Russia fight ISIS and Assad? Now, strange timing, a gas attack.
Yes.
The details seem a little strange, and now it seems as though the president may be reversing his position. What do you think is happening in this administration?
It's concerning. Assad is clearly not a good guy, propped up by the Russians, financing Hezbollah and Hamas. Folks on the other side, ISIS and the Saudis, they're not our friends. I'm still not in favor of invasion or bombing, certainly not a no-fly zone in Syria. I think the president would make a mistake to go in. Let's see what happens tonight. But nothing's really changed. Assad was a bad guy, doing horrific things before. He's a bad guy doing horrific things now. Obviously, none of us like to see the mass murder of children. It's a horrible thing, but I'm just not seeing the inherent interests of the United States in the conflict.
Interesting. I mean, a lot of people. It seems to be a lot of people liked what the president said when he was campaigning as a candidate. That we need to pull back from trying to remake the Middle East because it's not working. Too much bloodshed, trillions of dollars.
I voted for the president, and I supported him because I think he's a non-interventionist, not an isolationist, but a non-interventionist. Let's see how it plays out before we prejudge it. But I hope he would recognize that the country does not want, his voters particularly do not want, more foreign wars in which our inherent national interest is just not clear.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Roger Stone. Appreciate it.
There instead of you.